Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, happy Friday and welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this video, I'm starting week 4 of my powerlifting program, and I am going to calculate 77.7% of my 1 rep back squat max. So my working max for back squats is 369 pounds. My actual max in training is a little bit more than that. It's in the 370s, but whenever you do a squat program or a training program, your working max should be about 5 pounds less than your actual max. You want it to be something that you can comfortably lift, that you know you can get up. So 77.7% of 369 pounds. That's what I need to find. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that step by step. All right. Now the decimal point, as I've said in previous videos, throws a lot of people off. So we are going to multiply this as if we're multiplying a whole number. And then at the very, very end, we're going to move the decimal point over. All right. So for whole numbers, let's assume the decimal point's back here. Let's assume the decimal point's here when we're dealing with whole numbers. So again, we're going to pretend that these are both whole numbers, then at the very end, I'll move the decimal point over. All right, so 9 times 7 equals 63. 3, carry the 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. Plus 6 is 48. 3 times 7 equals 21, plus 4 equals 25. I'm going to cross out both the numbers that I carried over to regroup because we already added those onto our answer. I'm also going to move this over so we have a little more room here. All right, so both the digits in the ones place. We already multiplied both the digits in the ones place, so we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 9 times 7, again, equals 63, so 3, carry the 6. 6 times 7 equals 48. Again, 8, carry the 4. 3 times 7 equals 21, plus 4 equals 25. Huge shout out to everybody tuning in. Thank you so much for hitting the like button. All right, so now we already multiplied the top 3 digits by the bottom 2 digits. Now we're going to multiply these 3 digits by the digit in the hundreds place. Now since we already multiplied both the digits in the tens place and the ones place, I'm going to put 2 zeros here. So now 9 times 7 equals 63. 3, carry the 6. 6 times 7 equals 42, plus 6 equals 48. 8, carry the 4. 3 times 7 equals 21. Plus 4 equals 25. Next step is I have to add these 3 numbers up. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 8 plus 3 plus 0 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 5 plus 8 is 13. Plus 3 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. 7, carry the 1. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 8 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 6, carry the 1. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus the 1 that we carried over makes 8. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. So now we've added everything up, but we are not at our final answer. The final thing we need to do is we need to move the decimal point over 3 places. We need to make sure the decimal points line up. If I left the answer as is, we would have 286,713, but we got to move the decimal point over to finish it. So right now the decimal point's back here. So if I move that over one place, we have 28,671.3. I move it over two places, we now have 2,867.13. I move it over three places, we have our final answer. So 369 times 0.777 equals 286.713, or 286 and 713 thousandths. So that is our final answer. So I'm going to label now. So 77.7% of 369 is 286 and 7